welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel. If you're new to this channel, welcome and welcome so much. If you have not subscribed, you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a different kind of video. I want to try on my husband's clothes, and this is a try on clothes, and unfortunately these are the only clothes that can fit me in his closet. I have this fillet, this one, and also this big shirt, and also the trousers. All the trousers, actually, they can't even fit me. I think these are the only trousers that can fit me, and so we're going to start. So guys, here is my first look, and I'm actually liking the way it looks. This trouser does not even fit me well. Oh my god, it must be so big, and this is the first clothes, and I think I'm okay. I can go like this. So this simply means, babe, when you get home, I will steal these clothes and I'll be wearing them. Actually, I like the fullness. It looks awesome, so awesome. And the trouser, but the trouser is a bit tight. So let's try this top. So guys, here is my second look, and I have this top, this t-shirt here. It's not a top, it's a t-shirt. I'm so obsessed with the same tops because I don't wear such things, and I'm not sure if I can really wear such a thing, but maybe once in a while I can do it. But this is actually the second look, and the t-shirt, it really fits so well. It's supposed to be this baggy, I don't know, but yeah. So guys, here is my third look, and I don't know if actually I'm doing the right thing. This is casual, and what is this? I don't know. I don't know what to call this, but this is cargo pant. It's a cargo pant, and I don't think I can really put on things like this. It does not look so well. It looks so confused, especially even with the colors, the green and the blue, they don't even go. And for sure, I know my hubby cannot do this. You cannot even put on these things like this. Usually put on this trouser with some print shirt or something, but we're just trying on his. So guys, this is look number 4, and actually I love the way this trouser has fit me. This one is quite better. It's not quite tight like the other one, but I have the same top. And you know what this looks like? This actually looks like a conductor or something, or a driver. You know, this is the color of the conductor. This is the color of the driver. Let me just do this. And I don't think I look so good. Even if I go outside like this, people say, "Oh, guy, she's a makanga or something. She's a driver," because that's what I look like now. But definitely my hubby will look like this with this. So I'm actually failing in all this. So let's try the same trouser with. Guys, actually, this is my favorite look of all time. Actually, this actually is the best look. If I dress like this, I still look, number 1, I still look classy, like I always want to look. Number 2, it actually matches the maroon and the white. It matches so well. And also it looks way stylish. And my hubby, I'm sure he can do this. You can dress like this. You know, my hubby is a stylish man. So yeah, this is something you can do, and also something I can do. And let's look at the back. Wow, this looks so fine. And yeah. This is the 4th look, and guys, mind you, these are not my clothes, these are my hubby's clothes, so you can see. Guys, this is look number 5, and I think also this look is way classy because the red and the maroon are actually not so far away from one another. And yeah, it's kind of classy, very tomboyish for a girl, but I don't know if my hubby can do this, but I don't know, I'm not sure about this. But maybe he can, because it really looks good. It matches the white and the maroon, actually goes so well. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and this is just a fun video, and I just wanted to try on my hubby's clothes so you guys can see maybe if they fit or not. And most of his clothes actually don't even fit me, because especially here they can't fit me here. So, and that's cool, that's how men are, you know. So it can't fit me here. So only these two trousers I was sure of that they can really fit me well, and I'm liking how they look like. So tell me down or comment down below and tell me what you think about the video, what you think about the looks, and if you can you do what I've done. Can you try on your hubby's clothes, or you just wash them and you don't want to try them? Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye.